I'm going to show you how to make coffee using a French press. Step 1 is to boil your water and preheat your French press and cup. The press is designed to brew the coffee. It wasn't made to keep your coffee hot. So preheating the press and cup allows your coffee to maintain its temperature after it's been brewed. Step 2. Add your coffee beans and start the grinding process. When grinding your beans, it's important to know the correct coarseness for your coffee. Too small of a grind will leave you with muddy coffee, and too coarse of a grind won't filter properly later on. Here's an example of too small of a grind on the left and the perfect grind on the right. Step 3. Add your coffee grinds to your press and stir. When pouring your water onto the coffee beans, make sure to fully saturate each part to allow the full flavor of the coffee to come through. A small but important step to remember is to allow your coffee to brew for the right amount of time. This amount of time is 2 to 4 minutes. 2 minutes for the weaker strength, 3 for average, and 4 for the strongest and more bold strength. You can let it brew for longer than 4 minutes, but it won't change the flavor at that point. Here I've included a time-lapse video of my coffee brewing. Step 4 is to press the coffee plunger down until it reaches the bottom. The key to this step is to press slowly and gently. Pressing too hard could cause the press to break. This step presses the coffee grounds into the mesh of the plunger, leaving you with freshly brewed coffee at the top. Step 5 is to pour into your cup and enjoy.